Today we're actually going to be taking a cruise down to Tacoma, Washington at Griots Garage. There is a Supra and an 86 meet happening there. I set up another local pre-meet and cruise where we'll all be driving down there, caravanning down together. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but we're about to show up. And let's see, I'm 5 minutes late. Let's see if anybody's even showed up or I'm still the first one. Oh, what the? No way, people actually showed up. Holy shit, that's pretty cool. Decent turnout. We got Jimmy, we got Evan, we got Gabriel. But decent turnout. We got some 86s, both GR and non. Bunch of black Supras, my favorite. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Dude, the new 86 looks so nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cars. So we're gonna go ahead and cruise over to the meet, and there should be a ton more cars there other than this. All right, this time I got here late. We gotta roll out now. Dude, so many Supras. Fucking JR.
You know I had to come with it, man.
What's going on? Is that Phil?
Yeah.
This guy! Long time no see, man.
How you doing, man?
How's it going?
We're matching.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, let's go. All right, so we're in the middle of the event, and the turnout is huge. I was able to grab some drone shots, so you guys will be able to see, but we got a bunch of new GR 86s over there, a ton of Supras, and then we have our buddy Rob from RK Titanium. Look at this. Hey Kai, how's it going?
Good, brother.
Didn't even see you, man.
Yeah, I know. I'm just going over there to take pictures real quick.
All right, for sure.
Go back.
Check this out, guys. My buddy, Pistol Peter. Right? Pistol Peter? Yeah. Pistol Pete.
Pistol Pete, yeah.
Pistol Pete right here. What year is the Supra? 84?
84.
84. One owner. 21,000 miles. This thing is pristine. Look at this. It's like it came off the dealership floor.
You want to do the engine too?
Yeah. Look at this interior. Everything's so mint. The leather on the dash. Best of show. Look at this. I can eat off of it.
This deserves its own video. You guys should park next to each other later.
So cool. Oh, yes, please.
What's that?
We should grab a picture together. Yeah, so it's like two Supras in one picture.
Yeah?
Yeah, that would be super cool. I want to do that for sure. What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be installing some carbon fiber mirror caps on my buddy Jimmy's A90 Supra. We just got back from a cruise and a meet over in Griots Garage in Tacoma. It was 86 versus Supras. Jimmy, what do you currently think of your mirror caps versus the ones that I have on my car?
Well, yours looks menacing from behind. These are the OEM caps, so they cost a fortune. I didn't want them, but there was no way out of it, so I really want the other ones. I'm gonna keep these inside, like I'll frame them or something.
Yeah.
Because they're freaking expensive. They're $900.
Yeah,
so.
but you can resell them and then use them on more car parts.
If anybody wants to buy I'll give him a discount.
Yeah, discount. 50% off, $450, guys.
Use code VIN.
All right, so all you need to do to pop off the mirror cap, super easy. Put some masking tape. You're gonna tilt your mirrors up a little bit and use a prying tool to just pretty much stick this underneath and then just pop it right off. And just gotta get the top one now. There you go. And the mirror comes off. You can use a microfiber towel to protect your paint, but behind the mirror, you're gonna see these 3 tabs. There's one of them here, 2, and 3. So you're gonna use some pliers, just pinch them and push them out. There you go. Boom. And there's the OEM mirror cap, super easy to take off. Okay, next we have the NSR carbon fiber mirror cap. As you can see, it's gonna have the same 3 tabs. So all you have to do is push them through and they'll secure themselves. I got the wrong one, didn't I? I did. So we're just gonna go ahead and line up these tabs. See? Oh, yep, you see them lining up. And push them through. There you go, we have all 3 parts clipped right here. Pretty easy install. Once you guys have the mirror cap on, just make sure these 3 pins are secured, and putting the camera on, putting the mirror on is actually pretty easy. You just push in. Line it up and push it in. All right, now I gotta take off the other part. It's hot, guys. I'm tired. Wow.
Holy.
I love it with your AMS wind deflector.
Yeah, it fits so well.
And with the yellow, it pops off like crazy.
This is the best view right here, though.
Oh. Compared up to the OEM one, oh, it looks such a small piece. Just made the car entirely different. Look at that. All right, we had some trouble installing this, but we found out a trick to make it easier. When you're lining up the pins, go ahead and do the inside of the mirror first. Yeah. So there's like a little pin behind you. You wanna make sure you line that up. I thought it was only these 3 pins that really secure everything, but then there's also inserts for other pins behind the mirror cap. You line up the bottom side first, and you can go ahead and push in this top one. For this side, what I was doing differently, when I was trying to push it in, it wouldn't want to clip inside all the way. So I actually pushed inwards towards the driver, towards the inside of the car. As I was applying pressure this way, I went ahead and pushed it in, and they all snapped into place. I hope that's understandable. I'm just using my lingo right now, but install's done. Go ahead and look at it. Dude, that looks so crazy.
It looks so rad. It's so rad. Look at that.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh my gosh. Price-wise, that's like the most cosmetic change you can do for like that price.
You know, a mirror cap's such a small item, and nobody really thinks about replacing them because I didn't even know. But once I saw these, it changes the look of the car so much. The car automatically looks so much more aggressive. Super easy to install, guys. We'll go ahead and drop a link down to below. These are the NSR carbon fiber mirror caps. Not that much money, and it makes such a big difference to the car. I think that the car should have came with these type of mirror caps for sure.
You say that about every part you put on.
Oh yeah, I mean that should have been OEM right there.
That should have been stock.
They would have had better sales numbers for sure. All right, guys, but that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's install and the cruise content. There's definitely gonna be more cruises. We started a local group out here, and our goal is to bring the community together. So hopefully I can share more cooler cars on the channel, just like this one. All right, well, we're about to end today's vlog.
Thank you so much. It was so much fun today. I love it here.
Hopefully I got some good footage for you guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's get a cold start to end it. My battery's about to die. Just rev it a little.
All right, thank you.
All right, I'll see ya.
Have a good weekend.
You too. Camera's literally about to die. Let's see how much I can record of him getting out. If it cuts out, it just cuts out. Oh. Holy crap, I had a heart attack.
I got that on camera.
Jimmy, I almost. Oh, my Jesus. Oh, that was
It's not moving.